In this video, I will be showing you how to set up an email account in Hostinger. So let's get started. First, once we are logged into the Hostinger hosting account, this is how the Hostinger dashboard will look. We will need to enter the hosting account by clicking the hosting account in which the domain name is added. In my case, I have only one hosting account, and my domain, vibeskill.io, has been added to it. Here, we will need to click the Manage button and enter the hosting account. Next, we will need to click the Free Email section. On this page, you need to select the free option. Every domain has the option to set up 2 email accounts. To continue, click this button to set up the email account. Enter the username for the email account in the first field. Enter the password for the email account in the second field. And that's it. We have created the email account in Hostinger. You can see the email account support@vibeskill.io has been created successfully. With this, we have come to the end of this video. Like, comment, and share the video if it was helpful. Thank you.